Hello everyone and welcome to Bum Bea. Today I'm participating in the Christmas Tree Tour of 2018 hosted by my friend Heidi Sonbul. So go ahead and check out her channel at the end of this video, and also the playlist will be linked below. Okay guys, so let me share a little bit about my tree. My tree was inspired by me going to an estate sale in October and getting these beautiful Dollie Angels made, handmade by someone, and I paid for that $4 for a whole entire bag. The rest of the items that are on the tree are actually a Michael's grab bag that I got at the beginning of the year. As you can see, those 3 stars were at the Michael's grab bag, so I just went ahead and added them to the top of the tree. They also had the gold nutcrackers. The gold pine cones was also in that Michael grab bag. And then as you can see, like the plastic clear hooks that are on there, I believe they're shower curtain hooks. That's okay, I thought they looked cute on the tree. Look how cute my Dollie Angels. And then there's burlap picks. Those were also at the Michael grab bag. And also the white snowflakes. So basically, I actually spent $8.50 to put this tree together. The red ornaments are from Dollar Tree, and I already had those on hand. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you like my angel inspired Dollie tree with Michael's grab bag picks. Okay guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you very soon. Happy holidays. Bye bye.